Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Gorilla Mind Lock and Load supplement. Does it really increase your semen quality? Does it really work, or it is just another waste of money? And how much time it will take to give you results? And what are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any order on Gorilla Mind? Okay, so in this video we will cover lots of information. So this video is very informative. Keep watching this video. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand is approx like 11 years from now, and they have good review on internet, and their most popular product are energy drinks and pre-workouts. Okay, so if we talk about like their product, this is also a very popular product. The product is like Lock and Load, which is basically used for increasing your semen volume, boost your libido, and enhance your bioavailability. Okay, so basically in this category these kind of product are very common, but the results of these kind of product are not so attractive. And you can see like the results, you can see over here like on Amazon.com the rating is very bad. So the reason of the rating is like the results. Basically when you use any kind of product which is related to semen quality, semen enhancer, or semen motility, or you can sperm motility related problems, so these kind of problem will not, you can like these kind of product will not give you results overnight. It will take a long period of time, like approx 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, depends on person to person condition. And when we checking their nutrition values, you can see over here the nutrition values is not so attractive, and these all nutrition values is indicating like if you are going to use this supplement, it will take lots of time. Approx like 8 weeks is the minimum time period. You have to consistently use for 8 weeks, and after 8 weeks there are no guarantee, and there is no guarantee you will get results or not. Okay, so and the doses is also really high. You need to take 6 capsules per day. This is really high dose. Okay, so if we talk about like you should buy or not, so definitely my answer is no, because in market there are so many product is also available which can use for semen volume increaser, and there are so many product available in the market. So you can choose some other product also, and you can see like 1 month supply cost is like approx $53.99. This is also expensive. And one more thing that is very important, that is like subscription model. When you checking their reviews on Trustpilot, there are so many complaints also. Like when you place order on the official website, they can also activate subscription on your account. So these are the things you need to keep in your mind. If you are not expecting results, then if you only want to try it, then you can buy it, but don't try to take any kind of subscription. And the best option for you, the product is available on Amazon.com. You can purchase this product on Amazon.com. This is the best option for you. You can buy it and you can try it if you want to get any kind of experience. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.